What entails exceptional mobile marketing? Over a couple of years, mobile marketing will get much of the spotlight in the market sphere. When done correctly, mobile marketing can do a lot in driving sales. It is accomplished totally through an incorporated marketing technique, leveraging the benefits of imaginative and mobile messages that target the interest of your clients. The development of mobile marketing begins with its approval in the marketing mix. What mobile marketing can offer is a compelling way of communicating with consumers. Let's take a look at the ideas that would make your mobile marketing efforts impressive. Research study is the secret. Contrary to public perceptions, mobile marketing appeals to older demographics. In reality, studies reveal the most effective group exposed to mobile marketing comes from the 25s to 40s age group. This is the reason there is a need to be creative in setting up messages. It is necessary that outstanding mobile marketing efforts are backed with strong research and survey, able to line up with modifications. Mobile marketing is most sufficiently resistant is technology changes. Digital marketing 10 years ago was restricted to email marketing. Now there are a host of other channels where you can utilize digital marketing. The ever-altering landscape of mobile surfing might spell success or doom, dependent upon how you grab the chance. The development of mobile marketing is relative to the development in mobile web browsers. Select the channel where most of your clients are. Not all have smartphones or might afford one. Nevertheless, much of your customers have functioning phones or dumb phones. What prevails to all phones is short messaging system. Using SMS as a delivery point for your messages will stay around 20 years down the line. Use it while you can to maximize the potential. It is a great connection tool despite handset models. This is a test of creativity given that you require to reveal your messages in 160 characters or less. Mobile marketing has to do with imagination, dedication, and consistency. Huge businesses have actually seriously looked into mobile marketing due to the fact that access to 40 million eyeballs, if nothing to a discount. Companies require to continuously refine their offerings and their messages to their clients. It needs to produce intriguing and useful content for the average of customers. You require to be able to cram a lot of info and maximize the little space given to you. Mobile marketing forces us to get more information about our customers and what we can do to maintain their services with us. over a couple of years, mobile marketing will get much of the limelight of the marketing sphere. It is achieved totally through an incorporated marketing method, leveraging the benefits of mobile and creative messages that target the interest of your customers. The development of mobile marketing starts with its approval in the marketing mix. Digital marketing 10 years earlier was restricted to email marketing. As I have said, the growth of mobile marketing is relative to the advancement in mobile web browsers. I hope some of this has helped you to give you some ideas of what you can do with mobile marketing. I use it myself and find it very, very efficient. Customers are always looking at their phones. As you know, if you walk along any street or in any supermarket, there's always a phone in their hand and they're always looking at it. So this is eyeballs. The more eyeballs you get, the more sales you can get. So mobile marketing is a must. Other than that, my name's Ian Jackson. I have a YouTube channel with over 300 videos on it about how to earn money on the internet and how to earn money from home. Now the name of my channel, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. And one more time, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I always say to people at this point, underneath my video are all links. They are links to programs I've joined and enjoyed, using some still but not all, and also the tools I purchased during my time on the internet. They're all very, very handy tools, but the one I always recommend is script rewrites. Now this program, it's a godsend for anybody starting a website or a blog or want to do videos, etc. As if you are in a position to join a spin writer, you can get it for life. I believe it's 197 or 195, and that gives you all the stuff you need in one place for doing blogs and websites, videos, etc. They actually supply you, if you get your lifetime membership, with 50 scripts a month, all about your keywords. So all you do is put your keywords in and they send you 50 scripts. Also the spin writer itself, whatever you're using for your blogs or websites, you can put into spin writer, get it rewritten. You can never ever get done for copywriting because it's entirely different to when it started off if you're copying and pasting. So copy, spin writer, out of spin writer, paste, and you're safe. That's one program I recommend. The others is entirely up to you if you want to look at them. They're all there. There's some good programs and some good tools. So other than that, below my video also there's a like button. Click on the like button, press subscribe. That helps me with YouTube. And up the top there's a bell. If you click on the bell and press all, you'll get informed when I put another video up. Now besides that, this is Ian Jackson saying, do your research. Always research what you're going to start or what you're going to purchase or what you're going to do. Research it. Use Google. Put the name of the company or the name of whatever you're starting into Google. You'll get hundreds and thousands of pages come up. Probably not thousands with one name company, but you'll get enough information to let you know what that company does, what sort of commissions it pays, how often it pays, how much information he has for its members and affiliates for advertising and banners, things like that, the percentage of the commission. You'll find all that out if you put it into Google. Also, I use YouTube as I like looking at how it goes. They show you on YouTube how to join up to things, how to purchase things, how to set up things. It's a lot easier than trying to read it all for me. So that's YouTube also for doing research. But make sure you do it thorough. There are a lot of scammers on board. When you get into the internet, there's always people wanting your money, and they'll scam you for it rather than pay you. So make sure you get the correct program. So this is Ian Jackson saying once more, please press the like button below and subscribe. If you wish for more, the bell up top and all, they'll send you information when I put another one up. So please enjoy your time on the internet. Find something you like and enjoy, as it needs to be continual. It's dedication and dedication. You will make it if you dedicate yourself. So this is Ian Jackson once more saying thank you for being here. Please press the like button and subscribe. And I'll say cheerio for now. Hope you do come back. Bye.